Today we're featuring Grevillea, Australian origin, beautiful orange and red hues in it. It's become quite a popular feature here in our cash point. Sold quite a few, but plenty more available. Ideal for a nice sunny sheltered border in your garden. It would be quite the conversation piece, I'm sure. There's several varieties. This one that I have here is called Ignite. All the names are related to the lovely hues of orange, yellow, and red that they have. Here we have an evergreen clematis. It has these lovely, leathery green leaves. Absolutely beautiful in flower. As I said, armandii. This one is called Snowdrift. Wouldn't that look amazing on a wall? And just when you need a bit of color, white will really pop in the winter. Needs a nice sheltered wall, sunny to climb up against. But isn't that gorgeous? Here we have the beautiful Hamamelis, very popular this time of year because, as you can see, it's got beautiful yellow flowers. This one is called Arnold Promise, scented, also deciduous, so before it loses its leaves, it has the most amazing autumn color of almost tie-dye looking leaves. Another popular one is Pallida, also scented, but it's a slightly lighter yellow in color. Very popular this time of year. Just creates that bit of pop in the winter, just when you need it the most.